Here is my audience. Can you hold this phone and record?
Yes.
Today, I will give you a speech about the slogan ban single-use plastic bags. Do you support this slogan?
Yes.
Okay. Did you know that more than 5 trillion plastic bags are used worldwide every year? And most of them end up polluting our environment rather than being recycled. According to Angela Spivey in a 2003 article published in Environmental Health Perspective, this massive use of plastic bags is creating a serious problem for our planet. Single-use plastic bags cause significant harm to ecosystems and human health, which is why we must reduce their use and support alternatives. Today, I will first explain the environmental damage caused by plastic bags, then show how they impact on human health, and finally suggest practical solutions and alternatives we can all use. Okay, then I will discuss first plastic bag pollution, our planet. Plastic debris contaminates our soil, rivers, and oceans. Animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to injury or death. A 2020 study by Naidu and colleagues in the South African Journal of Science emphasized that these plastics are not just unsightly, they directly threaten wildlife. Even so-called compostable or eco-friendly plastic bags can be harmful. Research by Hudro Bro Medina and Roses Valencia, published in PLOS ONE in 2025, shows that this alternative can have toxic effect on plants, meaning that not all green label plastics are truly safe. So even when you try to choose better option, we need to be aware of the environmental impact. Now I'm going to explain about the plastic pollution threatens on human health. Plastic bags are not just an environmental problem, they also affect on human health. TDC in a 2024 study on healthcare waste explained that plastic waste from hospitals and public health centers contribute to environmental contaminations and increase human exposure to harmful substances. Moreover, microplastic from plastic bags can enter our food and water sources. Naidu et al. 2020 warned that while scientists are still researching the full effect, there is evidence that these tiny particles can disrupt on human health. The risks may not be fully understood yet, but that doesn't mean we can ignore them. Now I will explain about alternatives and solutions. The good news is that solutions are within our reach. Reusable bags and biodegradable alternatives can dramatically reduce plastic waste when widely adopted. But technology alone is not enough. Public awareness and policy changes are critical. People need to understand the dangers of single-use plastics and governments should regulate their use. As Spivey noted in 2003, education combined with policy can drive meaningful change. Now you should take action. Can you tell me what action can we play to reduce plastic bags from my speech?
Yeah. Less use of plastic.
Okay.
Maybe use a biodegradable materials instead of plastic.
Okay, great. In summary, single-use plastic bags damage ecosystem, threaten human health, and yet there are alternatives we can adopt to protect our future. Each of us can make a difference. The next time you go shopping, bring a reusable bag instead of relying on single-use plastics. Small action when multiplied across millions of people can significantly reduce plastic pollution. Together we have the power to protect our planet for generations to come. Thank you.